Hello everybody, Molly here from my channel Molly Fits Round, and we just got to Busch Gardens Tampa. We are here for the media preview of Phoenix Rising. So we are so excited to hopefully check out the ride. There are clouds forming and storms showing up, so we might have a little bit of a weather delay, but that is okay. We want to ride this ride, so let's go. Okay, we are officially in the park. It is still sprinkling a little bit, but we are heading back to the ride area, and we're gonna wait out this rain because we want to ride this ride, so let's go. Passing by Cheetah Hunt right now, but still a little rain, so Cheetah Hunt is not running either, but we are heading back to Pantopia Land. Oh, the penguins are out and they're swimming today. Oh, how cute. Here is the entrance. Okay, so we have made it here to Phoenix Rising, but it is still sprinkling a little, so I guess we're gonna go in and check out the queue for now. But I know they're not gonna run it during the storm, so. Oh, here's the chair. All right, pull it down. He's our ride tester. Watch your card.
It's like penguin trek, but your feet aren't able to dangle. That's what the seats feel like.
Yeah, it looks a lot like the penguin trek seat. So this is where people walk in. Ooh, look at this cool stuff they got built up here with the Phoenix. Here's the red, and of course there are the different Phoenixes. Fire, ice, water, earth. Oh, here's the green. Wow. Oh, look, there's more over here. You come in on this side and you get those kind of things. Okay, this is the other side of the queue. Wow, look at this guy. Okay, this is the official launch point here inside the queue. It holds 10 people long, 20 total on one car here on the track. And then they have these amazing windows back here that are gonna display the Phoenix you get. And there's 4 different Phoenixes. And then here's where the launch goes. Okay, weather is clearing enough, I think, for a test run. So let us see. Look, the green Phoenix! It's the green one! And there it goes! Okay, and now these 4 enormous screens look like stained glass. That is so pretty. They're all different pictures. Whoa, the screens are being animated. Okay, and then it's gonna come back in.
Way to go, girl.
Okay, that quick, we'll be right back. We are here, we are front row. So I kicked my shoes off. We're about to go up and do this. Here we go. Oh, here comes our Phoenix. There he goes. Yeah, just follow the track. Okay, this is the hardest part. We gotta wait for everyone else to unhook. You ready? Here we go! Woo! Oh, this is amazing! Woo! Woo! Oh my goodness! Woo!
You're right.
Woo! Here comes the sign! Ready? Woo! Woo! That was awesome. Oh my God, we did it. That was awesome. I just got off of the ride, front row with Patrick. That was amazing. I love the big drop right at the front. Logan's gonna sit this one out, and that's okay. So Patrick's gonna go rider swap with Dad right now, and they get to experience. But front row was amazing. Worth the wait if you're gonna do this one to get front row, especially with the feet dangling and that view. Awesome. Oh, you guys got ice. Wow, there they go. Whoa, it's like deserty.
Maybe fire?
Oh, maybe this has turned into the fiery desert one. Yeah, woo! And then they come back. And it was that quick. There they go. Into the lift. Oh my goodness, there's totally a drone flying over there too. Whoa.
Really smooth coast.
So smooth. Here it comes. There it was. Wow. And then it starts spinning around at the end. You get some of them cool G-forces. And then zip back in for the finish. Here's all the ride regulations, but it's only a 42-inch height requirement. And then of course they got the seat here so you can try it out before you ride. Make sure you fit. Logan fits. Official production. We're getting filmed POV. There it is. There's Patrick and there's Logan over there filming. Hi, Logan.
Here we go.
Hey, they're filming us for this POV, and I got this POV. This is their. They can dangle. Feel more secure with a hug.
Dangle your feet out of my feet, guys.
Oh look, we got the green one.
Here we go. We got handlebars too. We can grab on.
I'm holding one for my POV. Welcome back, we made it.
Guests, step carefully but quickly into the seat that is directly in front of you.
Hi, Mama. Here we go. We get handlebars too. We can grab on. Nice.
I'm holding one for my POV.
Green bird. Here we go.
Oh yeah, we climb.
Oh my God. We're staring straight up. We're going to the moon.
Clapping, they give you a noise too. It's a little bright.
Look to the right and the left. You're up in the air. I'll tell you that. Oh my God.
Here we go.
Oh my God. feet. The G-force is
fun.
insane.
So fun.
So much airtime. It's crazy.
Okay, so me and Patrick just got to rewrite again so that we could do all the POV footage. We did second row and then first row. And what did you think?
I mean, I'm the ride guy. In my opinion, I do all the rides from scary to least scary.
Yeah?
They were right. It's literally a ride that anybody can do.
Anyone can do, but
yeah,
it was definitely
it's a really fun ride.
Super duper fun and still intense enough
Yeah.
that, yeah, as a grown up, I super duper loved it.
good for
I would
old
come back
people.
and ride this every time we're here at the park.
Especially
I thought
if
it
you
was
get
so
front
fun.
row, you're gonna get an amazing view.
My goodness, the front row as you drop over that hill and then you have to dive. That's like my favorite part. And then, of course, coming here over the sign, this big woo, and your feet are all
Oh, yeah.
flying in the air.
I feel like you're actually flying because it's smooth. This is their smoothest
yes,
ride they have
and
in
it
the park,
is like
in
a
my
phoenix, so you're flying
Yeah.
like a bird. And oh my goodness, yeah, the smoothness, because it was so new, so smooth. You can't even almost hear it running till it comes right past you.
Oh,
So
yeah.
loved it. Okay, that was super fun. I don't know what we're doing from here, but let's go see. All right, we're here with a cinnamon sugar pretzel right next to the ride. Let me try.
Pretzel.
All right, Patrick knows how to pick a good pretzel.
Yes.
That was really good. We're still right here, right outside of the ride too, so I'm gonna keep filming it and watching as it goes by. I just can't believe we finally got to ride Phoenix Rising, and it was so fun. We are leaving the Phoenix Rising area, and we got this cute little gift bag, and it has 3 different Phoenix Rising candles in it, so they smell so good. All right, and this cute little tote bag. All right, I guess we are walking towards Cheetah Hunt right now. Ooh, and there it goes. Oh my God, somebody dropped something.
Somebody dropped their phone.
Oh no, they were going over the water when he dropped it.
God, it's so herky-jerky.
Wow. Okay, so we were totally filming Cheetah Hunt as it went through the barrel roll, and somebody lost a big item that was shiny, and I'm guessing it was a cell phone,
Yeah.
so I'll play the footage right here. We'll try to slow it down and see what he lost, but man, that's why you gotta be real careful on them barrel roll things. So
Yeah.
I guess we're heading towards Cheetah Hunt. It is Patrick's
gonna do it.
newfound
My favorite
ride.
ride. I love it.
We did it twice last time. I guess you did it 3 times, right?
Oh yeah, I love it. It's the best ride ever.
Twice with me and once with Ted. All right, so one quick Cheetah Hunt before we get out of here for the day, because I am still just riding high off doing that Phoenix Rising 3 whole times. That was so amazing. So, woo, opening soon. So you'll have to get here and check that
You
out.
gotta try it. Also, guys, just a quick warning. I don't recommend if you don't have a strap on your hand to film when you go on rides. I don't recommend filming if it's an intense ride because you
No.
can risk losing your whole phone.
Yes.
They
or
can't
your
save
phone
that.
falling and smacking somebody
yeah,
else.
they
So
can't save your phone.
Anytime you see us filming on rides, we always have something securing it
Yeah.
to our wrist or hand or body, or we're not going to take it on the ride. So don't worry about that for us. But yeah,
Yeah.
that guy lost
Trained
something.
professionals.
That was sad. Look, the hyenas are out. Wow, there's a hyena. Ooh, he looks wild. He's upset that guy got the bone down there. Look, he's got the bone. And this other guy's jealous. Okay, here I am. Cheetah Hunt. Hey, here goes the fun one. shoots you up the hill. Not the first big hill, the second hill, the little bump. Love the bump. Okay, so Cheetah Hunt was amazing. Okay, and now we're looking for the orangutan because there's a new one with a mama and it's got its baby, and I heard the baby is out on display.
My reviews of Cheetah Hunt, guys. I've done a lot of big roller coasters at all theme parks, but Cheetah Hunt's the thing that I just want to get on over and over again. It's amazing. It is every element.
Number one favorite of all rides right now?
Yes, it's better than Hagrid's.
Number one favorite.
Better
Better than Hagrid's. Hagrid's is pretty cool.
It's got airtime, drops, upside down loops, everything you
This
need,
one's
guys.
wild.
Go hop on Cheetah Hunt right now.
Go cheetah it. Passing these super cute elephants. Okay, orangutan outpost this way. Okay, so we found the orangutan outpost, but I don't see them out right now, so we'll keep looking. Oh, is he coming back to see Logan? Hi, cutie. Aww. Oh, he's smiling. Gotcha. There he goes.
Jump down, dude.
Oh, he did. He came to see you. Oh. Hi. Oh, I don't have any food.
Oh, look how cute.
Oh.
Oh, he's trying. He's trying.
Oh my goodness. Hi, cutie. Oh, well, we're so glad we got to play with you, little Pingu.
He's so little cute. That's the neatest part about the park is getting all the close.
I know. We always get a close encounter with somebody, right, Logan?
Yeah. Like the cheetah.
Penguin.
Penguin.
Okay, well, you have a good night.
Looks like he's ready for dinner.
Oh, he wants to come live with Logan. Hi.
I would adopt you if I
You
could.
want to come stay with Logan? You want to come stay with Logan?
If I could. Aww. They love me.
He does. Hi, little Splashy. Hi. Hi. Oh my goodness.
He tries every time.
Well, we have had a wonderful time here at Busch Gardens today. We did not get to see the orangutan because it was not out, so sadly we will be back to see that next time, Mama and Baby. But we saw a little penguin.
Yeah, it was the best part of the whole
Goodness,
trip.
it was so cute. Cheetah Hunt. There goes Cheetah Hunt.
Yeah, the penguin kept coming up to my hand.
Yes, it's like it was dinner time.
Like it was food. It was in my hand.
Logan, what are you going to feed me for dinner?
But they loved me so much, and that's like I feel like they would be happy if they got to come home with me.
We'll adopt you, little penguin, of
adopt a penguin
course.
if I could.
Oh, we just have to keep it real cold in the house.
And our dog would not like it.
Oh, doggy would not like that. Okay, well, we're going to walk through the gift shop on the way out and check out the pens. But other than that, we are done for the day. So thank you for joining us on our magical adventures. See you next time, real soon. Busch Gardens. Okay, I'm seeing new Phoenix Rise merchandise. They have a magnet here. I found a sticker and a Phoenix Rising keychain. But finally, I found a Phoenix Rising pin, and it's a hard hat. Since I did the hard hat tour first, that's perfect. So that's what I'm gonna get.